to conclude, in terms of what we looked at today during this pre-market analysis during the live stream and the preparation for tomorrow's trading session, is that we continue to see more momentum on the dollar, even though it's in a lot of compression. We have seen many bullish daily candles in a row on the dollar, and I'm expecting a little bit of a retracement. All right, so this week, looking at the news, we don't really have anything relevant for the dollar until Thursday, when you have retail sales and unemployment claims. It's going to be more of UK data being released this week. We have unemployment tomorrow, CPI on Wednesday, then we have retail sales on Friday, and then we have also ECB releasing another interest rate, expecting another 25 basis cut from the ECB. That's going to be on Thursday, and that's the biggest catalyst of the week, which means that's not going to be dollar related. We can actually have some opportunities and some divergence between the euro and the pound, which can actually lead to a good potential setup, a long setup on the euro pound. Now looking at the dollar, I'm looking eventually for price to turn. It may not be from here. This is just a target that I'm looking for, is for price to fill out this price until it gets there. And then when you're looking at euro dollar, pound dollar, and so on, it's going to be the opposite. It's going to be opportunities to look for longs. Another asset that I'm tracking is going to be Canada and the Canada pairs. So USCAD, EURUSD, pound CAD, and so on, which tomorrow we have CPI. So there's going to be some interesting volatility as well to expect from there. And we have at this point 9 consecutive bullish daily candles on the dollar CAD, which means I'm going to be looking for price to look for a retracement. Price is getting closer to an interesting level on the left side in the higher time frame, and it has been compressing quite a lot, breaking some lows, but still managing to continue to break new highs. And that's, for me, it's a sign of weakness, and I'm expecting also a potential good retracement on the dollar CAD and other CAD pairs. In terms of gold, silver, not really touching it at this point. Oil as well continues to be in the middle. I don't really look at it. In terms of the US indices, we have a big momentum to the upside. So today was bank holiday in the US. We're expecting a little bit of less volatility. And sometimes when this happens, we can actually see big momentum because there's not many people fighting for orders. If there are big orders being placed in the market, then we see big candles being printed in the market. And there you go. We had S&P 500 breaking new all-time highs, or continue this bullish momentum. We have Nasdaq getting really close as well to the all-time highs from July. So we'll see how price is going to react from that structure on the left side. And we have Dow Jones as well breaking out new all-time highs, and even DAX as well, right? So this is something that pay attention to. Is this going to create momentum, or price is going to just come back into the structure again? So that's it. Again, not really forcing any sales on the US indices, looking for potential turns on the dollar as a consequence on euro dollar, pound dollar, and so on. And also looking for potential long on euro pound as price gets in closer to that demand zone. And also CAD pairs are going to be my focus for tomorrow. With that being said, guys, thank you very much. If you got any value, feel free to subscribe. Again, I stream every day at 7 p.m. Feel free to join, feel free to share, to tell me what kind of pairs you are looking for, because we can analyze the market together. Thank you. Obrigado. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.